Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Autodesk Construction Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Autodesk Construction Cloud website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an Autodesk account, enter your email and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, look for the Create an Account link and click on it. Fill out the required information on the registration form, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Autodesk. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, return to the Autodesk Construction Cloud website. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section in the main menu. Review the subscription options available for that product. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete the subscription process. After your payment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Access your Autodesk Construction Cloud dashboard to start using your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.